Hey guys, Greg with TimberSeal here. Just wanted to walk you through maintenance on a deck of a customer we've had in the past. I believe this was done in 2015. We're out here just to quote the maintenance, check the overall condition on it, see what kind of boards or anything that might need to be repaired. At that point, we will clean, brighten, condition the deck, and then reapply the finish to get it back up to speed. So I'm going to flip this around and show you what we're looking at. As I said, this deck I believe was done back in 2015. So essentially, you can see the color's all in really good shape yet. The floors are what really take a beating. Got some algae from some moisture. Obviously, we got a pretty good sized tree there that's holding shade. This will clean up really easy. We'll do a brightener on it and then reapply the finish. And it'll look like brand new again. So the finish provides the water repellent, the protectant for the deck itself, and then the pigment provides the sunscreen. And that's what keeps the wood in good shape. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 219-548-2670. It's Greg with TimberSeal, and I'll check on out decks today.